Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the 360 Observe hand mirror. So this is a very handy little gadget, mainly for sort of advanced divers and instructors, and basically anybody that needs to see behind them easily. So if you're leading a dive, if you're an instructor, then all your students are typically behind you as you're kind of leading the dive, so you have to keep turning around and looking to make sure they're all okay. But if you have a little mirror on the back of your hand, you can just hold it up behind you, and then because it's convex, it's kind of a rounded mirror, so it gives you a decent view of what's happening behind you. So just at a glance, without having to turn around and sort of risk sort of bumping into something by swimming backwards, you can sort of very quickly and very easily kind of look behind you. It's also useful for any diver really. If you can't sort of find your buddy, just a quick glance around with a mirror. Again, because it's convex, it gives you a really wide sort of angle view of what's happening behind you. You can see above you and whatnot as well. If you're entangled, anything like that, you can see behind you, see what's going on. Whilst you're scuba diving, you've got all this equipment on, and a lot of it sort of happens behind you, so it can be quite easy to, or can be quite handy to actually see what's going on behind you. So a very useful, very compact little sort of gadget. The mirror itself, very flat. You get an elasticated sort of strap that goes sort of around your wrist, and you can adjust that. Lots of adjustment on this. You've got a massive strap on that. So even if you're wearing sort of big, thick, dry gloves, you've got plenty of adjustment. And because it's elasticated, one, it's nice and comfortable, and two, it's going to adjust for compression at depth. So, so it's going to sort of stay in position at all times. So a very handy little gadget, a nice little gift as well. This is the 360 Observe hand mirror. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.